Now we are starting the last chapter of this book, that is probability. So what is probability? You should know what is probability. The probability is the chances of occurrence. Okay, and probability always lie between 0 and 1. Probability always lies between 0 and 1. So when it is 0, when the things are not possible to be done. When it is 0, when the things are not possible to be done. And what is certain? When you have to do 100%, that time probability will be 1. When you see you can do it 100%. Like one example you see, today is Thursday. So tomorrow will be Friday. If today is Thursday, so tomorrow will be Friday. That means it is certain. It means it is certain. Certainly it will be Friday tomorrow. But if I say, no, tomorrow will be Saturday. Today is Thursday and tomorrow is Saturday. So it is impossible. Na? It is impossible. Can it be possible? No. After Thursday what comes? Friday. So if we say tomorrow will be Saturday, it will be impossible. So what is the possibility here? That tomorrow will be Friday. So there are, in probability, there can be 3 types of thing. One is certain, then second is possible, then third one is impossible. Like if I say today in the evening it will rain. Today in the evening it will rain. Is it sure? It can be. It can be. So in that condition you will say possible. Okay, in that condition you will say possible. Now you got what is certain, possible and impossible. Now after that it is very likely and unlikely. For likely and unlikely, you will not get reservation in the train due to heavy Diwali rush. Likely and unlikely means that it cannot be possible or it can be possible. Okay. Then even chance or equally likely, more likely or unlikely. So more likely means it means certain, and equally likely means possible, and unlikely means impossible. Okay. When the condition comes certain, so it will be likely. Okay, equally likely for possible, and for impossible, unlikely. These are the 3 conditions: likely, unlikely and equally likely. Equally likely or even chances. Here you may say equally likely or even chances. And unlikely, what you can say? That less likely or not possibility. Okay, so these are the things which you should remember. Now let's see the exercise. See here in self practice 16a, what you have to do? You have to write in the following events most correctly to indicate whether the outcomes are possible, certain or impossible. What are the 3 things you have to mention? Possible, impossible or certain. Now see first A part. You will throw an 8 with a normal die. 8 with a normal die. So you know on the dice what are the numbers are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 faces are there and numbers are also 1 to 6. Na? So here what will be the condition? Is it possible? No. Impossible. It is impossible. Okay? It cannot be possible. Then see that your uncle will call you tonight. Your uncle will call you tonight. Is it possible? It will be certain he will call. Okay? It is certain he will call. Now see the third one. A mouse will give birth to puppies next year. A mouse will give birth to puppies next year. Is it possible? No. It will be impossible. It will be impossible because mouse will give birth to mouse only. It cannot give birth to a puppies because puppies, who will give birth to puppies? That will be dog. So this will be impossible. Now see the D part of it. Friday will be the day after. Friday will be the day after Thursday next week. Thursday next week. So what it will be? It is certain because after Thursday only Friday comes. So it is certain because after Thursday only Friday comes. Now see the E part. You will have milk. You will have milk. Omelette and pancake and pancake for breakfast. So it is possible. It can be possible. Okay? It is possible that it can be that we will have in breakfast meal, omelette, pancake and milk. Okay students? Now see F part of it. It will be winter in Australia. It will be winter in Australia when it is summer in India. When it is summer in India. What you will say? That it is possible. What you will say? It is possible means when it will be winter, then it will be summer in India. Because the rays are opposite to it. Now see the G part. You will be able to see live dinosaur in the city zoo. Is it possible? No. It is impossible. It is impossible. We cannot see dinosaur here. Okay? It is impossible. Now see the H part. You will be awarded prize. You will be awarded prize for your good performance. For your good performance. It is certain. Certainly you will get prize if your performance is good. Okay, you will certainly get the prize if your performance is good. Okay. Now we have to do question number 2. So what is there in question number 2? You have to characterize each outcome as likely or unlikely. Okay, you have to categorize each outcome as likely or unlikely. The second A part. Okay, now second A, you will not get reservation in the train due to heavy Diwali rush. Due to heavy Diwali rush. What it will be? It will be likely or unlikely? It will be likely or unlikely? It will be likely. Okay. Now see B part. Your friend will go to the moon next month. So what it is? It is likely or unlikely? It is unlikely. Because going to moon is not an easy task. Okay. Now see part of it. Someone in your class will be absent next week. What it will be? Someone in your class will be absent next week. It is likely. Now D part. It will snow in Kashmir in January. So is it possible? Yes, because Kashmir snowfall is there. It will be likely. It will be likely that it can be snowfall in January in Kashmir. E part. There will be floods in Delhi. There will be floods in Delhi in March next year. This will be unlikely. Now F. You will play a sport. At school today. It will be what? Likely. Okay. You will play a sport at school today. It will be likely. And there will be floods in Delhi in Monday. The floods cannot be in March season. It is always in the rainy season. That is also unlikely. Okay. Now see question number 3. Here you have to tell about impossible, unlikely, even chance, likely and certain. Okay. So choose the likelihood which matches the outcome of each event. Now see the A part. The school cricket team will win the local tournament. So what it is? It is unlikely. It will be unlikely. Okay. See the B1. Mr. Dinesh will cut the grass in the garden. When it's snowing. So it will be what? Unlikely, because in snow you cannot cut the grass. So it will be also unlikely. Now see the C part. While going to school, you will pass by a black car. Okay, while going to school you will pass by a black car. So what it will be? Likely. Now see the D part. The mountaineer will hurt. Will be hurt if he falls off the mountain. So what it will be? The mountaineer will be hurt if he falls from the mountain. So it will be likely. Okay. Now see the E part. The number on the top face. On the top face of an ordinary die will be an even number. What it will be? It will be even chance. It can be even also and it can be odd also, so it will be even chance. Now see the F part. The next boy to be born, the next baby to be born, the next baby to be born will be a boy. So what it will be? even chance. It can be boy or it can be a girl also. That is even chance. Now see the G part. The number on the top face. The number on the top face of an ordinary die will be an even number. It will be an less than 7. That is, what you will say? Less than 7. Certain. Because numbers on dice are always less than 7 only, na? So it is certain. Now see the H part. The ship will float. The ship will float. The ship will float back up to the top. Back up to the top of the ocean. Top of the ocean. So what it is? It will be impossible. It is impossible because ship cannot float on the top of the ocean. It cannot float. Okay? It is impossible. Now do the I part. What is there in the I part? You will live for 100 years. You will live for 100 years. That is it possible that you will live for 100 years? It is unlikely. Very few of them live also, na? They will say unlikely. Now J1, you will have birthday next year. What it is? You will have birthday next year. So it is likely. Birthday you will have next year.
Miss certain.
Huh?
Miss certain.
Certain. Yes, you can say certain.
Yes, Miss every year.
And if it comes a
every
leap
year.
year, if it comes a leap year,
Yes, Miss.
so likely.
Yes, then.
Monday will be the day after Tuesday. Next week. It is impossible because Monday comes before Tuesday, not after Tuesday. So it is impossible. Then L1, a cat will have cubs. A cat will have cubs. It is impossible because cat will give birth to a cat only, na? It cannot give birth to other animals' babies. Okay, students? Now this is the end of your self practice 16A. Okay?